Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This isn't a normal video that I typically do, but I do want to do this one. I kind of wanted to go through my progress so far here on the YouTube platform. It's been a wild ride. It's been a crazy ride. I've started real heavily in 2018 creating tutorial videos. Let's see if that makes it a little bit better. Creating tutorial videos, and I did a lot in 2018. I didn't do a ton in 2019 here. But I do want to talk about my stats and my numbers and all that on my YouTube channel. And you guys can see behind me that I have, I do have it pulled up. And this is right now only showing 2018 stats. And you can see that in 2018 alone, I got 2.3 thousand hours of watch time, which is amazing. I mean, that's just a crazy amount of watch time. I never thought that I would be able to do that, because you post a video and you just kind of expect, oh, no one's going to find this, or it's kind of not really useful for anybody. With the hopes that somebody will find it useful, right? But more importantly here, you can see that I got 322 subscribers. And if anybody knows how to actually view the subscriber names, I would write like a thank you note to you guys, but I don't know how to view names. If you guys know how to do that, write a comment down below. But I was super excited. I got a ton of subscribers that year. And, I've addressed it in a previous video, but it became time for 2019. I didn't post as much. But you guys can see in 2019, I did get an additional 820 subscribers, which pushed me past that 1,000 mark. I think right now I'm sitting at somewhere around 1,200, which is amazing because just a few weeks ago I was talking about my first 1,000 subscribers. So I've boosted even more, plus 200. So thank you guys so much. But I do want to look at here an amazing stat, which is right here, 7.7 thousand hours of watch time. So you guys have watched 7.7 thousand hours this year alone of my YouTube channel, which is just an amazing feat. I've been so thankful and blessed for you guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys for sticking along. And I hope that in 2020 I can do more for you. I can give you guys more content that you're looking for and that you're wanting from me. And I hope that we can make it a stronger channel and a stronger viewership, and look forward to making all the videos in 2020. Thanks for watching this video, and I appreciate your guys' support.